Super Copy AI Review and Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this tutorial, I'm going to review Super Copy AI and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your browser and kindly go to supercopy.ai, or you can simply click the link on the description below. And from here, it will show you the details about this platform. And if you don't know this platform, it is an AI-powered content creation tool that helps users to generate high-quality, persona-driven content in which it uses advanced algorithms and natural languages processing to analyze target audiences and create content that resonates with them. Supercopy.ai can generate multiple versions of content for different marketing channels such as emails, social media posts, and blog articles. It also offers features like persona creation, content improvement and suggestion, and collaborative library for team collaboration. And to access this platform, they also offer a variety of pricing plans that you can purchase, including the basic plan, unlimited plan, and enterprise plan, in which below it will show you the corresponding amount or prices per month and the list of benefits and features that each plan offer. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, you will see the frequently asked question, and by clicking on each question, it will show you the corresponding answer of it, including what is AI content creation and how does it work, and many more. And now, if you want to buy or purchase a lifetime deal of this platform, you could go to the next tab and enter appsumo.com. And from here, just search for supercopy.ai, in which they offer a lifetime deal amounting only to $29, which contain a 92% discount from the price before of $348. And aside from that, they also offer a different kind of license tier plan that you could also purchase for a lifetime deal. We have here license tier 2 and 3. And on the left side panel, it will show you the details about purchasing the lifetime deal in this platform. And as you can see here, this platform is best for copywriters, social media managers, and marketing agencies. And using the power of AI, you can find the target audiences and create audience personas that ensure all of your deliverables fit together. And aside from that, if you scroll down below here, it will show you the list of features that included in this lifetime deal plan, including feature of blog content, social media content, website copy, email marketing, and many more. And you also need to consider that the model it contains is GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT 4. And below here, you will see the different plans, which is a one-time purchase that contain the corresponding prices and feature below. So if you want to have a lifetime access of this platform, you could go to this appsumo.com, just search Supercopy AI and purchase the plan. Now moving on to this website of supercopy.ai, to get started for free, kindly proceed by clicking the button in here. And after that, you can continue using your Google, your email address, or even your Outlook account. So I'm gonna choose to continue using my Google account, and from here, just proceed by clicking Get Started button. And the next thing that you need to do is to enter the brand name and the brand website. So let's say I'm gonna enter a Puma, their website, puma.com. And the next thing that you need to do is to enter the description of your brand and the industry it is in. And after that, just select the tone of voice of your brand. We have here formal, informal, optimistic, encouraging, serious, enthusiastic, and many more. And after that, it will find you a perfect audience based on the details that you just fill out and selected. And now we have here the 3 personas, such as young fitness enthusiasts, and you can select 3 of them, in which below them it will show you the tags and the description of each personas. Now by clicking the next button, you will be directed in here. And from here, just select the type of content you like to create. We have here tweets, Instagram caption, Facebook posts, and many more. Then proceed by clicking the next button, and you will be directed on the dashboard of supercopy.ai. And from here, on the left side panel, you could also navigate the dashboard, campaigns, personas, super chat, templates, and any other options on the left side panel. And by selecting campaigns, you will see here your brand, the audience persona, the marketing channels, and other preferences that you selected. And below, we could also see here on the left side panel different templates such as tweet, and to do that, we could select the brand persona, the product persona, which is only optional. Select the audiences. We have here young fitness enthusiasts, casual sportswear fun, and many more. And below, we could also enter the goal of this tweet. So I'm gonna enter launch of new shoes. And you can now start creating or generating draft by clicking this button, and it will show you the copy output on the right side panel. And as you can see here under the copy output, we have here different results that you can use by copying and posting to your Twitter. And the content of that tweet is about launching of new shoes, which is also based on the detailed information that we provided. And if you're not satisfied with the result, you can click refresh to regenerate the result of copy output on the right side panel. And aside from that, you could also navigate the Instagram caption to create a caption on Instagram, which is also same process of selecting the brand persona, the audience persona, and the goal. So let's try to do the same process. And for the goal, I'm gonna enter the same thing, which is launch of new shoes. And by clicking generate draft, it will show you the results on the right side panel under the copy output. And you can copy any of those results and use it as an Instagram caption. And aside from that, you could also make a template of Facebook post, which is also the same process of selecting a brand persona, audience persona, and entering the goal. But let's say we want to make an email, so from here, just do the same process of choosing brand persona, audience persona, and entering the goal of this email. And by clicking generate draft, it will show you the results on the right side panel under the copy output. Or alternatively, you could also adjust under the advanced input settings below here. By clicking on it, you will be able to adjust some of the tone to make it formal, encouraging, and even adjust the seriousness of this email, the optimistic, enthusiastic, and even adjust the creativity of how much flavor do you want to add on your email. And as you can see here under the copy output, we have now the email draft, which contain the subject and the body of the email that you prefer. You also have here the introductory and other additional information about launching of new shoes of our brand Puma. And if you want to change other parts of that email, all you need to do is to select any of those paragraphs and proceed by clicking regenerate selection. And now, aside from those templates, you could also create other templates given, including persona finder, newsletter, and creating YouTube video description, link post, TikTok caption, and many more. And on the left side panel, you could also improve copy, simplify copy, expand copy, change the audience, even change the tone of the content by pasting the output copy in this page and by clicking generate draft. And aside from those features, you could also navigate the super chat on the left side panel, in which you can also ask different kind of question and it will answer like Chat GPT, but with persona power. And that is all the feature that you could also navigate on this platform. So that is Super Copy AI review and tutorial. Thank you.